Hello and welcome back. My name is Baby Yumna. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. There, yes, right there in the corner. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. I ngasi video se ahum suba video ne mayam aigi ahan baga ani shuba video do mi mayam comments to be likes to be views to be bagi damakta I thank you very much and I really appreciate that mayam comments to be see to swine to kholuga haraga dagi some have left very kind words. I really appreciate those and the feedback is being noted. I will try to make the improvement gradually. So matam khara changmi ai ado I will try my best to work out on those feedback and make an improvement so that you could see the way what you expect and what you want. And once again, thank you very much for those feedbacks, comments, and subscriptions and likes. Thank you very much, and I look forward to your support in the future as well. Ngasigi video se ay mayam se sida Zaandam haiba mafam ama lay adaida zatke na tawbane nungsa khara sai ngasi se summer oibigi da nungsa sabsina oraga hena phajaba do mafam do phajagani na mai khan mai tare dagi ai zatke tawe this sida hojik se 30 degree the minus side do dum phajana side 30 degree I am sure in India it must be more than 30 and it must be terribly hot. Anyway ngasi akoina chakadari mafam se Zaandam aduga Zaanse Schans haraga kawe maming se I kamada I think I just butchered the pronunciation of the names of this place. My apologies. Ado si Zaanse Schans is a nam ki neighboring town ne adu na yam lap na sakadab na te ai sidagi laiden ni chakpada di Zaandam ko Zaandam mathang da Zaanse Schans le ado ai Zaanse Schans da han chatlani adu duga Zaandam da hala aga mu Zaandam gi video set maina namgi adu duga payam da maina sequence to my lakani I say one man army hai tare ko ithanda tawraga video ke ka se ithanda tawra nambane adu na I yauraga number video se yam yaudabane adu matungda koi khara sum tam na I shu yaw number equipments fazna layer kanda sum tam na hap na hona zirake until then I request everyone to have patience and have faith in me. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much. Now let's go and check out Zaandam and Zaanse Schans. I'm very excited about this because this place are absolutely beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave your thumbs up and leave a comment. Okay, too much of talking. Why am I okay, now let's go and let's see how Zaandam and Zaanse Schans is. Travel card to credit yam yaudra du go to Let's sanitize our hand. I'm not sure if I can make it. Train leaves in 2 minutes. Yay, I made it. Right now in Netherlands, wearing mask is mandatory while using public transport. Zaanse Schans yore hojisi Zaanse Schans station. houses and the windmills in Zaanse Schans are all still in use. Sigi boat today Loktak Ningsinghale. This is where you can get the tickets for boat rides. Windmills in action. It's not order, you camera actually. Sum chalaga yengse kay lerino saida ana. Sigi windmill se 7 or 8 euro gi ticket amaka ga manungda changaga yengba yaban. Ado ay ngasidi changaroi mayam yengningadi comment da haibiro ay mathangda amuk laaga mo yengnaba. Sino mini windmill stare. Moisida hot chocolate ki cafe leba myam sina ko. Sister pazet chocolate manim namna. Is factory ne changa yengse kamai dobno. And the good thing about it is this is free entry. Timeline ni mo ye. And now we are in the clock museum. Clock ay tisigi wooden shoes clock kawai mai. Dutch ki tradition.
Zaandam चढ्नपैकी बस स्ट्यान्ड चल्लिने ट्रेन जस्तो यार दो अनि बस स्टेसन चल्किन त
Yay, we are in Zaandam right now. Today's pung mga makai tare ko se na ai cafe ma thiraga kanom chage na tawi. Here all the shop closes at 6, so I'm just going to go to the bagels and beans before it closes. Zaandam gi sigi Intel Hotel se maming yam chatle Lego house haidana magi houses me am stacked tawraga same aduga Lego male haida. Zaandam gi railway station ne I'm just speechless. It's just beautiful and I have no words for it. And now we are at the Zaandam Centrum, the city center. And now, time to go home.
Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video as much as I enjoyed making them. It was fun. It was quite an experience for me because, like I said, this is my third video, so this is more of like an experimental process for me right now. I hope to see you in my next video again. Don't forget to subscribe, and well, I think that's all I have to say pretty much. You guys have fun, stay safe, don't forget to wear mask wherever you are, wherever you go, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.